Stop scrolling. Let me ask you one simple question. Do you really speak advanced English? Or do you just think you do? Because speaking English is not about grammar rules. It's about words. Yes, words. Today, I will show you 15 English words. Native speakers use them every day. If you understand these words, and you can use them naturally, then congratulations. You don't speak basic English anymore. You speak advanced English. Let's begin. Word 1. Appreciate. Many people think appreciate only means thank you, but native speakers use it differently. Example, I really appreciate your honesty. This word shows respect, maturity, and confidence. Word 2. Overwhelmed. This word means feeling too much at the same time. Example, I feel overwhelmed with work. Instead of saying, I am very busy, this sounds more advanced and natural. Word 3. Eventually. This word means in the end or after some time. Example, don't worry, everything will be fine eventually. Native speakers love this word. Word 4. Lack. Instead of saying not enough, say lack. Example, he failed because of lack of preparation. Simple. Powerful. Advanced. Word 5. Aware. This word shows intelligence. Example, are you aware of the risks? Very professional English. Word 6. Determine instead of decide. Example, we need to determine the best solution. This word is common in meetings and formal talks. Word 7. Improve. Don't say make better. Say, I want to improve my English. Sounds clean and confident. Word 8. Essential. Means very important. Example, practice is essential for success. Advanced speakers use this word a lot. Word 9. Furthermore. This word is used to add more information. Example, furthermore, we need more time. This is C1 level English. Word 10. Effective. Instead of working good. Example, this method is very effective. Professional English. Word 11. Intention. Means purpose or plan. Example, I had no intention to hurt you. Native level sentence. Word 12. Challenging. Instead of very difficult. Example, learning English is challenging, but possible. Positive and advanced tone. Word 13. Confident, not shy, not scared. Example, speak English confidently. This word itself shows confidence. Word 14. Significant means important or big. Example, there is a significant difference. This word is common in exams and interviews. Word 15. Achieve instead of get. Example, you can achieve fluency with practice. Strong ending word. Now, tell me honestly, how many of these words did you already know? If you knew most of them, you are not a beginner. You are improving. And if you practice daily, you will speak English fluently. Remember one thing, English is not about talent. It is about consistency. You will speak English without fear. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more English lessons, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English